Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select card you would like to add to your Google account, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Let's go back, and this time let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to the loyalty card because you have to select the shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is transit. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.